Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Flow app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find here privacy settings. Just click on it. Then you will find here Flow privacy explained. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here manage your consent here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here allow Flow to process my health data. Click in this sign or this color. Then you click here on continue to delete account. You click here on delete account, then it's going to disable with you here, or to disable it on your Flow app when you delete your account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.